Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is episode 9 of the 100 days of Geography GCSE Revision, and today we're looking at extreme weather in the UK. So let's get going. So what's the evidence? So in the last 20 years, let's say, there have been many extreme weather events in the UK, and there have been many throughout history as well. But let's have a look since the year 2000, so 23 years ago. In 2003 there was a heat wave. The UK recorded the highest ever temperature at 38.5 degrees in Kent. This was the highest ever temperature in the UK at the time. In 2007 there were floods. There were several people that died as a result of these floods, and many were left homeless by the summer floods affecting Hull, Sheffield and Gloucestershire. Skip forward to 2009 a couple of years. The town of Cockermouth in Cumbria was devastated by floods, and the rainfall record was hit in that November in the Lake District. More floods in 2013, 2014, where severe rainfall continued across southern England, causing the River Thames to burst its banks and vast areas of Somerset to become inundated with water. Why might extreme weather events be on the rise? Recent extreme weather events have occurred elsewhere also in the world. There were devastating floods in Pakistan in 2010, intense heat waves in Russia in 2010, and severe droughts in Western USA in 2014, for example. No single extreme weather event can be blamed on climate change. However, many scientists do believe that the trend over many years is that these are linked to a warming world. There is more energy in the atmosphere, which could lead to more intense storms. And the atmospheric circulation, which we talked about yesterday, was it yesterday? Earlier this week, I'll link it up here, also may be affected, bringing floods to normally dry regions and heat waves to normally colder areas. Could our weather patterns be getting stuck? Weather systems across the UK generally move from west to east, driven by winds by the jet stream. The jet stream moves north and south and can stick in one position, resulting in a long period of the same weather, such as heavy rainfall or drought. A large area of high pressure can block the movement of weather systems. A warming of the Arctic, for example, may slow down the atmospheric circulation in the northern hemisphere and the mid-latitudes, resulting in the weather sticking for a long period of time. This could explain more recent heat waves and flooding. So we're going to briefly look at the question, suggest why the UK's weather might be becoming more extreme. So we've got things like climate change and how that changes, bringing more intense storms and weather events, heat. Climate change just doesn't make things warmer, it also makes areas colder as well. It can just disrupt the jet stream, and so yeah, we might not get our warm air anymore from America. It may also disrupt what's it called, the pattern of the ocean. I've forgotten the name of it, I'll put it on screen, where the warm air from the South Atlantic Ocean moves northwards, and which is why we in the UK are significantly warmer than Canada, for example, because we're on fairly similar latitudes, so that can also affect it. But then also a disruption to the jet stream. So if the general atmospheric circulation, which we talked about on Valentine's Day, which was a couple of days ago for me, general atmospheric circulation might be affected, so it may vary increasingly than it would, or it may level out so that we don't get these extreme weather patterns, but it might mean that we are stuck in a colder area or a warmer area for longer. So I hope this has been helpful. Do subscribe if it has been, and I will see you same time tomorrow at 7 AM for the next episode. Bye guys.